all over. Well, it feels kind of like fall out there, especially this morning with some clouds out there and temperatures starting out in the middle 60s. Yesterday on your Saturday, we only made it to a high of 79 in the metro. Today it will be a little bit warmer. We do have some showers out there still, especially in Grant County around the Gila and Silver City. Some pockets of moderate to even heavy rain. This is slowly pushing to the north, and then some light spotty activity just to the south of Valencia County, moving through Socorro County right now. Likely not all of that is reaching the ground, but some sprinkles not out of the question if you're traveling along Interstate 25 near Socorro this morning. Flash flood watches continue from now until midnight tonight for the area shaded in light green. That includes western Socorro County and parts of Catron County. So again, we could have periods of heavy rain later on this afternoon into the evening hours. But a gorgeous start to your Sunday morning as you head out for that early morning walk or run. Temperatures not too bad, sitting at 65 degrees. And that 65 will feel a little bit cooler with the wind out of the east at 12 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere, we're at 50 degrees in Taos, 55 in Las Vegas, 66 in Farmington, the upper 50s in Gallup, and near 70 degrees in places like Roswell and Hobbs, and it's 66 in Alamogordo to start on your Sunday this morning. So as we head out this afternoon, temperatures climbing back into the lower 80s, so a little bit warmer this afternoon compared to yesterday here in the metro. The upper 70s in Santa Fe and near 90 degrees in Roswell and Carlsbad, and temperatures will be on the slow upward trend as we head into the middle of the week as we start to dry things out. Here's a wider view of what's going on this morning. We do have an area of low pressure spinning off to our west into parts of California and Arizona, so that's keeping the storm chances going for southwestern and western New Mexico. The farther east you get of the central mountain chain today, the drier it's going to be and the more sunshine you'll see this afternoon. So we have an area of high pressure in far eastern New Mexico, so that will keep temperatures a little bit warmer this afternoon, and also the sunshine in place for folks in Roswell and Carlsbad. But again, around Silver City up to Gallup, Grants, Farmington, and to places like Durango and Pagosa Springs, a better shot for storms. Then as you head back to work on your Monday, the chance for storms will continue for central and western New Mexico, but remaining dry and pretty quiet in the far eastern portion of the state. By Tuesday and Wednesday, this area of high pressure will be sitting pretty much right on top of New Mexico. So what that means for us is warmer temperatures and storms basically limited to the higher terrain by the middle and end of the week. Into southern Colorado for today, temperatures into the middle to upper 70s in Pagosa Springs, 80 degrees, and Cortez, and with a chance for some showers and thunderstorms today and also for Monday and Tuesday. Over to the Four Corners, will be in the middle 80s in Farmington, 76 in Gallup, 74 in Grants with a chance for some heavy rain later on this afternoon. Temperatures into the lower 90s by Wednesday and Thursday in Farmington. Over to the southwest, we have flash flood watches for parts of Socorro County and Catron County for periods of heavy rain. Some storms out there right now, more possible later on this afternoon with temperatures into the 70s and the 80s. Over to the southeast, an isolated storm around the Sacramento Mountains is possible. Outside of that, we're going to be dry, temperatures heating up back up to near 90 degrees. And then over to the northeast, temperatures into the 80s and the 70s with a chance for afternoon and evening storms. And then over to the northern mountains, after a pretty quiet Saturday, we could have more storms firing today. Temperatures into the 60s in Red River, the 70s in Taos, lower 80s in Espanola, and then into the East Mountains, the middle to upper 70s with a chance for some storms. And then over to the metro, temperatures topping out in the lower 80s, and will warm back up to near 90 by Wednesday and Thursday. So if we are going to see any more rain, it will likely be between today and Tuesday.
All right, thank you, Chris.